In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use break and continue statement in Python loop. And not only that, you will learn how to use conditional statement within loop in this tutorial. We know break statement is mainly used to terminate from the loop and continuous statement is used to omit any particular statement within the loop. Our first example is to terminate from an infinite loop using break statement. In this code, random number will be generated. For this, random module is imported here. Here, integer random number will be generated. For this, rand int is imported. And in this statement, rand int 1099, it is the range which type of integer number will generate. And here, first generated number is printed, and it is infinite while loop. And if the generated new number is greater than 75, then it will print the message "Better luck next time" and terminate from the loop by using break statement. And if this condition is false, here else if is defined in Python like this: elif. And if the number equal to 99, then it will print "Bingo, you are the winner." And here also it will terminate from the loop. And this is the else part. If the number is not more than 75, or if the number is not equal to 99, then it will go to this section and the loop will continue for the next iteration. By printing this message, you can try for another time. Now I will save this. On the file. Here you can see first generated random number is 23. So loop is continuing for next iteration, then 60, then 57, then 23, then 30, and then 76, which is more than 75. And this condition became true, and the loop is terminated by printing the message "Better luck next time." In this way, you can use break statement and terminate the loop based on a particular condition. And in the next example, stop the iteration of a list based on a particular value. And here, for loop is used. And break statement is used to terminate the for loop before completing all iteration steps. Here a list of 6 elements is defined: Bash, PHP, Java, Python, C#, and C++. So if I want to read the loop using the for loop, the loop will iterate for 6 times to read the 6 values. But here a condition is added to terminate the loop before completing the iteration. That is when the value of name equal to Python, which is the 4th element of the list, then the loop will terminate in this step, and the next 2 values C# and C++ will not be printed, and the message terminated from the loop will be printed. The message terminated from the loop will be printed. And now I will save the file v2, and if I run the script, then you can see 4 items are printed only: Bash, PHP, Java, and Python. In the next example, read the particular 3 items from a dictionary. Here, break statement is used in a for loop, and after reading the 3 elements from the dictionary, the loop will terminate. Here an empty list of three elements, three empty string are defined here, which is top list, counter value is initialized to 0, and another dictionary is declared here with the name merit list, and dictionary value contain the person name, dictionary index contain the person name, and the value contain the merit position. Here for loop will read each element from the dictionary and store in student underscore name. And here position or dictionary value is read in the variable merit pos, and if the merit pos is less than equal to 4, then it will store the student name in a list, and in this way the loop will iterate the dictionary element one by one, and counter value is incremented by 1 in each iteration, and when the counter value equals to 3, then it will terminate from the loop. In this way it will fill up the top list variable with the first 3 merit position from the dictionary. That means Muhammad, and second merit position is Sachin Tendulkar, and third merit position is Saqib Al Hasan. These 3 values will be stored in top list, and which is printed by using another for loop. And if I print now, you can see these 3 values are showing here: Muhammad, Sachin Tendulkar, and Saqib Al Hasan. Okay, now I will go for the next example. The next all examples are about continuous statement. Print those values from a list that are divisible by 3 and 5. Here, a list of integer values are defined here numbers, and the message will be print, and a for loop is used to iterate the value from the numbers list. And here if condition will check the number is divisible by 3 or 5. If any one is true, then the if condition will be true, and for this case it will continue. Here if condition will check if the number from the list is not divisible by 3 or not divisible by 5. If any one of the condition is true, then it will not print the number and continue the loop. So now if I save the file and I run it, after running the script, the output is 15, 30 and 45, which are divisible by both 3 and 5. And other numbers 5, 10, 11, 25, 46 and 50, which are not divisible by both 3 and 5. Example 5. Print the specific values from a dictionary. There is an indentation error, so if you get this type of error, must correct it. And there is another indentation error. Okay, now I think it is errorless. And here the dictionary is like this. Person name is the index, and the person space in the absent will contain in the value. For loop will read the dictionary in each iteration, and if the value of the particular index is absent, then it will not print the person name. Otherwise, it will print the name of the person. This is the output of this script. Here, Mr. Robin is absent, Mrs. Sela is absent. These two persons is absent, which are not printed here. And this was the last example of this tutorial. Hope the concept of break and continuous statement in Python and using for and while loop is also cleared by practicing this tutorial. Thank you for watching.